Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you're signed into the Microsoft 365 account you plan to change. If you need tenant-wide changes, verify admin rights now. Once signed in at Office, close desktop Office apps and confirm OneDrive is synced so settings propagate cleanly. Then open the account settings by clicking your profile icon. This begins the language change flow. Make sure you have a moment, because changing language will update UI labels and may require reloading apps. Once done with sign in, navigate to My Account and select Language and Time Zone, or Access Settings then Language. You'll pick the display language for web apps and choose proofing tools for Word and Outlook. Download any required language packs when prompted. Apply the new language choice. Some services will require a page reload. If you use desktop Office, also set language in File, right arrow options, right arrow language to align proofing and display. These steps synchronize web and desktop experiences. To finish, restart your Office apps and sign out, then back in to confirm menus, ribbons, and proofing reflect the chosen language. If you change tenant-level settings, check the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to ensure policies propagated. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache or app cache, reapply the language setting, and download the language pack again. Sometimes reinstalling the proofing tools fixes odd behavior. If issues persist, contact your admin so tenant policies aren't overriding your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.